Welcome back, guys. A lot of ranges out there are not going to allow you to draw from your holster just because it presents some serious safety issues, especially for new shooters out there who aren't quite comfortable to draw safely just yet. That's why I wanted to share some tips with you. The practice I'm getting ready to show you is going to get you a little bit more confident and comfortable drawing your everyday carry, both safely and smoothly. This specific exercise is called dryfiring. It's a great way to get a little bit more proficient with your firearm. And the best part, you can do it from the comfort of your own home. Prior to beginning any dry fire practice, you must ensure that your firearm is completely unloaded. Check more than once just to be safe. Drop that magazine, lock your slide back, and remember to check your chamber. You'll need to empty out a magazine for this practice, so go ahead and either download it with your thumb, or if you're like me, go ahead and purchase an extra magazine for this specific reason, so you can keep your carry mag loaded and ready to go at all times. Now that you're sure your firearm is completely unloaded, you can holster it where you plan to carry. Because there is such a wide variety of carry options and everyone has their own unique style, positions and holsters may vary from what we're showing you today. In this video though, don't worry. We'll show you some of the more common types of carry options, such as inside the waist, outside the waist, and belly band, which has been growing in popularity lately. If you are hoping to purse carry, stay tuned. There will be a separate video just for you, since there are special things you need to keep in mind while carrying in a purse. For drawing exercises like this, I've found it hugely beneficial to practice in front of a mirror. And no, it's not so you can make sure your hair and makeup look great, even though I know they do. It's actually for safety. This is something I want you to all keep in mind. When you're drawing your firearm, it's extremely important that the muzzle of your carry never crosses your body anywhere throughout the process. This is why that mirror comes in handy. Watching your movements carefully helps you develop a safe and smooth draw no matter how you intend to carry. Position yourself using either a bathroom mirror or a tall dressing mirror like this, either will work, and make sure you have enough room to draw and extend your arms fully without hitting or bumping anything in the process. Go ahead and get yourself a fancy target also. Like mine, this sticky note with a black circle in the center. I'm just kidding. It doesn't need to be anything special, but it does help improve your muscle memory when you have something to aim at. When you first begin this exercise, draw your firearm slowly so you can watch each movement carefully. As you remove your carry from your holster, pay attention to your motions and make sure the barrel is being pointed in a safe direction at all times away from your body. As soon as you're able, turn and point the firearm towards your target. Watching your movements in the mirror is important during your initial practice draws. However, if this were a real self-defense situation, you would not be watching yourself, but instead, have your eyes locked on that target the entire time. Your support hand will meet the grip of the firearm as you bring it towards the center of your body, and you will extend your arms out, bringing the firearm up to your eye level. Quick tip, you never want to move your line of sight to the firearm. Instead, your head and eye position need to stay steady while the firearm's sight reach eye level. To make sure you're lined up correctly and aiming at the center of your target, switch your focus to the front sight and just verify your sight alignment and sight picture. This exercise is not only meant to help you improve your draw, but it'll also get that muscle memory and proficiency just a little bit better. Again, if this were a real self-defense situation, your eyes would stay locked onto your target. Muscle memory is crucial in self-defense, which is why this practice technique is so effective. With repetition, your body will begin to memorize your movements, eventually making your draw and aim both smooth and effortless. Keep repeating these steps while being mindful of your movements. Once you've accomplished a safe and smooth draw slowly, try increasing the speed, but don't sacrifice safety. Still watch your movements to make sure your barrel is not crossing your body. Whether you carry an inside the waist holster, an outside the waist holster, or even a belly band, this is a great way to increase both comfort and confidence in carrying. And by making this simple drill a daily routine, you too will be drawing like the pros in no time. Thanks again for joining us. And if you like this video and want to see more tips on all things firearms, make sure you hit that like and subscribe so you can see more videos coming soon. We thank you all for your support. And as always, stay safe out there.